Hi, my name is Dickie. Today I'm going to provide you a special detailed cooking recipe for the brain, broiled salmon and asparagus, and this including the list of necessary ingredients and specified measurement as well as step-by-step instruction to how to prepare the dish. Include the variations for different dietary and preference for all the flavor profile. Includes also information, nutrition value for ingredient and health benefits as usual, and in addition incorporate a suggestion of dish with pairing with complements or flavor of the dish. Your goal is to provide a comprehensive guide for the successfully and access to recipe, and here Linda will be doing the whole presentation of this video.
Hi, my name is Linda. Today we have developed a healthy, nutritious, and delicious recipe called broiled salmon with asparagus that highlights the freshness and flavors of the ingredients. Also provide a detailed list of all the necessary ingredients and step-by-step instructions for preparing this dish. Additionally, suggest creative ways to market this recipe for food stalls and restaurants online, including eye-catching signboards and effective advertising strategies. Let's prepare the ingredients list. For salmon fillets, 1 bunch of fresh asparagus, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 of garlic, minced 1 lemon, sliced salt and pepper, to taste parsley, chopped for garnish. Let's create a short recipe video or tutorial showcasing the step-by-step process of preparing the broiled salmon with asparagus. 1. Preheat the broil in your oven to heat. 2. In small bowl, mix the olive oil, garlic, salt, and brush the mixture the salmon fillets. 3. Place the salmon lets on a baking lined with aluminium foil, side down. Arrange lemon slices on top of fillet. 4. In another bowl, the asparagus with sizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. 5. Add the seasoned asparagus to the baking next to the salmon. 6. Place the baking under the broiler and for about 1012 minutes, or the salmon is cooked through and the asparagus is. 7. Remove from the oven and garnish with fresh dill before. Let's see the demo cooking step by step. Salmon is a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Let's start in cooking. Preheat the broiler on high and line a baking with aluminium foil. In a bowl, combine melted butter, lime juice, lime zest, minced, honey, salt, and pepper. Mix well to the lime butter sauce. Drizzle some of the butter sauce over the salmon fillets, reserving some for later. Prepare asparagus and cooking spray. Place the baking sheet under the broiler and cook for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked. Place lime juice, minced garlic, honey, and sriracha seasoning. Add salted butter. Place cauliflower rice medley. Add lime butter sauce. Sauce is up, your salmon ready. Let look for any alternative options or substitutions. Nutritional value and health benefits. Asparagus is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and digestion. Make sure to watch the salmon closely while broiling to prevent overcooking. Salmon is done when it flakes easily with a fork. You can also squeeze some fresh lemon juice over the salmon before serving for an extra burst of flavor. Feel free to add some red pepper flakes or a pinch of cayenne pepper for some heat. This dish is low in carbs and calories, making it a healthy and satisfying meal option. Side dish and wine pairing suggestions: broiled salmon with asparagus alongside a side of quinoa, rice, or a mixed green salad for a balanced meal. This dish pairs well with a crisp white wine, such as Sauvignon Blanc or Chardonnay. Enjoy.
Be sure not overcook the salmon as it can become dry. Keep an eye on it cooks under the broiler. Experiment with different herbs and spices to the flavors to your liking. Dill, parsley, or thyme would complement this dish well. Serve the broiled salmon and asparagus with side of quinoa, couscous, or roasted potatoes for a complete meal. Enjoy. Happy learning and cooking for yourself. My mentor Dickie will teach how you can create detailed and appetizing recipes for your loved ones. And do it at home, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your expertise in your home for an online business. For more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website https://plrsalesfunnel.com.